JDMIS is a specialized institute with a unique focus on the jewelry arts. Since 2007, JDMIS has given thousands of people the confidence to create quality jewelry.
Hello, my name is Hayless. I'm a graduate from JDMIS with a diploma in jewelry design and a certificate in metalsmithing. JDMIS has kickstarted my career in the jewelry industry, and now I am a freelance designer for 3D CAD modeling as well as making jewelry on the side through metalsmithing.
With a strong focus on the jewelry industry, we train the world's top international brands, creative entrepreneurs, and those with a passion for jewelry.
Hi, I'm Alex. I come from the third generation of jewelers. So JDMIs have taught me a lot of useful basic skills from traditional hand drawing to 3D CAD, and they have helped me to develop essential skills in my jewelry business.
Hi, my name is Chelsea. I'm from Malaysia. I do some job research on the jobstreet.com as well. I find out that jewelry industry they have the much higher pay compared to those F&B industry right now.
Our students enjoy the largest specialized training facilities in Southeast Asia. JDMIS includes 2 specialized jewelry workshops with casting, laser welding, 3D printing, and other technologies needed by tomorrow's successful jewelry professionals.
I get to use some of the facilities and tools, especially because some of the tools that are required for metalsmithing are too much of an investment for fresh graduates.
Your time at JDMIS will be less academic and more experiential. We learn by doing. For example, my gemology students get to know jewelry trade practices by handling and examining over 1,800 gem and jewelry exhibits worth nearly $500,000.
I'm Isaac. I'm Isaiah. I'm 21, my bro is 18. I really love the way Tanya introduces gemstones. With this course, it opened me up to understanding that there's actually some stones which are natural and there are some stones which are man-made, and there's actually differences between them, which got me interested in the idea of gemology. I wasn't really one into jewelry, but my brother is.
I really enjoy the creative aspect of jewelry, how you can design it, as well as the creation aspect of it, where you're able to create something that you can say, yes, I've created this product, I can put it underneath my name. That's something that really got me into jewelry.
I appreciate the stones more, he appreciates the design and creativity aspect of it more.
When I first entered into the gem vault and I saw all of the gemstones out there, I was like, wow, there's quite some variety you've got here.
Yeah, really opens your eyes as to like how big and how much variety there is. It's not just like diamonds, rubies, emerald sapphires, there's so much more out there.
But it's more than just gems and equipment. Everything at JDMIS is designed to be conducive to your creative development.
My name is Lyubov. I am from Moldova. As a fashion student, I've been through average university education, so I expected that probably JDMIS will be the same in terms of how the study goes, in terms of environment, all these things. But when I came, everything feels so neat and so peaceful that I do not feel rushed as I usually feel at university. And I feel very relaxed anytime I come here, so it feels very different from any other universities.
JDMIS programs are flexible, providing skills that are immediately useful when you go to work in jewelry, but also providing pathways to prestigious UK university degrees.
I love JDMIS because of its flexibility and open communication between the trainer and the students.
Each lesson is a small project, after which I feel very fulfilled, like this skill is enough to make a ring or earrings or a pendant.
The jewelry industry is not easy to break into, requiring a great deal of skill and capital. One of the highlights of our school is the Creative Jewelry Studio, and it ensures that you have the support as you take your initial steps into this sparkling industry.
So right now I have a shop located in Chinatown. I also have some of my products here showcased in the school in CJS. And yesterday I just made a $2,000 sales right here in CJS.
Come and join us to explore your creative potential in jewelry.